Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the skin, clean, moisturize, and prime. This helps products sit evenly. Next, pick the corrector shade. Green neutralizes redness, peach or orange cancels blue under-eye tones. Use a small, controlled amount, about 1/2 pea size, and gently pat it only on the problem area. You want thin coverage, not a mask. Once blended, let it set for a few seconds so you don't lift it when adding concealer. This creates a stable base for precise coverage. Now apply concealer directly over the corrected area. Choose one shade lighter under the eye and a skin tone match for blemishes. Dot product sparingly, think thin layers, and blend using a damp sponge or dense brush in a pressing motion to avoid removing the corrector. Once satisfied, make sure to set the area. Press a small amount of translucent powder with a puff to lock it. Doing thin layers and setting prevents creasing and keeps coverage natural but long-lasting, especially in the to finish, mist a setting spray, 2 to 3 pumps from 8 to 10 inches, to meld layers and reduce powdery finish. If you see cakiness, don't panic. Gently press a damp sponge over the area to lift excess powder, then reapply a very small concealer dot and blend. If the corrected tone peeks through, add a hairline swipe of opposite-toned concealer and blend softly, then set again. These small corrections keep the look seamless while maintaining coverage and natural skin texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.